This is authentic Indian cuisine and vlogs. I'm going to show you a restaurant style of chicken tikka, but I'm going to show you this is how we're going to make it at home with on the bone. Normally you do it at restaurants to take it off the bone, but I'm going to leave it on the bone and I'm going to make this as a chicken tikka. This is the pieces I've done earlier. I've cleaned it. I've made a lot of slices here and there, so all the spices goes in the chicken, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to blend all this mix paste. I'm gonna make it to a paste, so I'm gonna put it in the chicken. So I've got like a small bit of onions there, half onion, guys. You don't have to put in if you don't want to, but I'm just putting it for extra flavor. I've got fresh ginger here, small piece. I've got 2 cloves of fresh garlic. I've got 2-3 chilies, guys. I just want to make it a little bit spicy for home, so you could leave that out if you want. And I've got a bunch of coriander as well here. So I'm going to blend this, make it into fine paste. Okay, this is what I was blending earlier. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add yogurt, guys. It's just about depends how much chicken, again, as I said before. You know, it all depends how much you're making. If you're making more than what I'm making, then you just add on more stuff in it, so you have enough sauce with it. So I'm just getting a yogurt, guys. Maybe I'll need about 3 or 4 tablespoons of yogurt here. That should be okay for now. If I need to, I'll add more. Gram masala paste, half a teaspoon. I'm gonna add tandoori spice, tandoori masala paste again. I'm gonna add a little bit more than the usual. I'm gonna 1 full teaspoon. I'm gonna add tikka paste again, full teaspoon, guys. Yeah, this is more than anything else. This is like a madras curry paste again. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon as well, guys. Yeah, garlic paste here, 1 teaspoon again. I'm gonna add same as the garlic, ginger, just less than 1 teaspoon, guys. I'm gonna mix this little bit, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add English mustard paste here, 1 teaspoon. Mixed powder, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon as well, guys. This is, you could buy it from any cash and carry. It's a mixed one, already mixed with all the spices in one. Again, there is more stuff to add. The last, not the least, I'm gonna use orange color, guys, so it comes out nice color, hopefully. And so I'm gonna just add that much, less than half teaspoon. Okay, guys, this is my yogurt marinate, what I'm gonna marinate chicken in. It's done now. As you could see, I've done the other one earlier in a blender. This is another sauce, but I'm gonna put it in the chicken to marinate my chicken, get tasty flavor in it. So this I've done that's done as well, to add on in a bit. I'm gonna show you the chicken now, guys. What I'm gonna do, this is the chicken I've washed earlier. I'm gonna add some salt, guys. A bit of basil, herbs, you know, not too much, little bit. So we have a nice flavor. I'm just adding all-purpose seasoning, little bit, guys, on the chicken, so my chicken gets flavored as well. A bit of garlic and coriander seasoning as well, guys. Not too much, little bit, you know, on the chicken. I mix that together now and give you a good mix, guys, so everything mixes in one. Make sure you wash your hand, guys, as you know. I'm sure you will, you know. I'm just point out, so you know, we don't at this stage at the moment, we want to make sure everything is nice and clean. So this is what I've done. So hopefully that's mixed little base is fine, you know. I'm happy with that, guys. So this is the blender. Just add how much you need. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons, guys. Again, mix it nice, so it's all the chicken gets covered. It's like as you do when you're marinating the chicken in flavorness, guys. Yeah. Okay, like this, I'm gonna leave it for about 10 minutes, guys, to marinate all this what I put in to the chicken, will soak in all the flavors, and then I'm gonna add my other sauce as well. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, because I'm gonna leave it another 10 minutes to marinate. Normally it's best to leave it overnight so you get all the flavors, but because my kids want it now, I'm gonna do it quickly, you see. So I'm gonna add the rest of, what I made earlier, all this I'm gonna put in. Bismillah. Okay guys, I'm gonna use my hand. This spoon will not work, so I want to just make sure I get all the sauce in the chicken so it's nicely marinated. Okay guys, I put all the sauces and everything else. This is my marinating done with the chicken tikka on the bone. So I'm gonna leave it for about 20 minutes to half, and the more you leave it guys, more flavor will be on the chicken. So this is what I've done, my product. What next? I'm gonna cook this in the oven. So if you got tandoori guys or something, then you could put it in the tandoori. It's a beautiful recipe. Make sure you try it and stuff. I'm gonna put my chicken in the oven now, one by one. Bismillah. Okay, my chicken is ready. I'm gonna put it in the oven now, guys. Yeah. Okay, everyone. My chicken tikka on the bone is done. It's ready, guys. I'm gonna plate this up and show you how it looks. Okay, guys, look at this. Yum. Looks delicious, guys. Mouth-watering. Look at the beautiful color that comes out. Proper like a orangey color. Nice and juicy chicken, guys. In the oven. It looks great. It's going to be beautiful, guys. Make sure you try it out at home. This is easily done in the oven. It takes a little bit of time, but its end product is brilliant. You get the results and that taste and that flavor and the look of it. It looks beautiful. This is on the bone chicken tikka, guys. It's a twist from the restaurant. I thought I'll do it on the bone rather than boneless. It's a new trial. Comes out brilliant. Excellent turnout. That it's come out really nice. I'm happy with it. Brilliant. Enjoy, guys. And thank you for watching. Thank you for support and likes and comments, beautiful comments. Please do so all the time. Keep supporting me through this journey. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Hasta la vista, everyone, and assalamu alaikum.